My name's Tyler Stack. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry, and I am introducing virtual reality in my biochemistry class. The VR headset gives kind of a very different way of navigating through space, because instead of having to remember like your controls on your computer and your mouse, now students can literally walk around a protein in order to see it from a different angle.
When I took biochemistry last year, it was still as interactive as it could be. My professor would bring in some sort of like small hands-on molecules. However, they weren't as complicated or as complex as what we're able to do with virtual reality.
The experience with the VR set has definitely been like a learning experience. Initially, it was something to get used to. I wasn't familiar with VR. I've never used any sort of VR before, so it was definitely something I had to learn. It makes things easier to understand when you're kind of looking at things in like a 3D way. You can actually grab things and you can really get inside a protein, for example, and really see what you're looking at, and then move things around in different ways that you probably wouldn't be able to on like a regular computer program.
My role is to help train the student to be able to come to class a bit more prepared to use the headset. So I have outside class hours where they're able to come to me and I can provide them with some instructions on how to do some of the basic functions.
The Spark office, or Sponsored Projects office, had a grant for new directions. So it was a way to have faculty here try something new that they didn't have the ability to do before. And my goal with this grant was to try to see if bringing virtual reality headsets into the classroom would be an effective teaching tool. I do think it is more exciting than the other programs that we use, and useful to see how it looks in 3D.